Good morning, Sudarshan Reddy, Guduru. B for BP. So far, modern doctor did not cure a single BP patient. There are 25% BP patient in the towns. There are 50% BP patient in the America. The BP patient increasing regularly. Maybe in 4 5 years or 10 years, the range may be increase up to 50% or more than 50%. Three patients dying in every 10 seconds. Three BP patients dying in every 10 seconds. That means 90 to 1 crore BP patients dying in every year due to brain stroke and heart stroke. BP effects due to bad food and rest. Modern doctors don't know how BP affects. They don't know the root cause of BP. BP is not just a blood supply system. BP is not just a blood circulation system. BP regulates body voltage. All our body cells produces voltage to our body. Scientists says electricity is compared with the water plumbing system or domestic water pumping system or water pressure system. Electricity contains some important characters. They are current I, voltage V, resistance R, wattage W. Our BP system also contains these characters. I means current. The blood flow to from body to heart is current I. The blood flow from heart to the body is voltage. The volume of the blood cell in which blood flows is the resistance. When the blood vessels increases, resistance decreases. When the blood vessels contract, the resistance increases. What's the power output of the power? W is equal to V into I, voltage into current. There are two systems in our domestic electricity, voltage and wattage. Voltage means the current of the electricity in the domestic area. Wattage means the power which was consumed or which is produced is wattage. Our different electricity devices works with different wattage system. 10 volts, 5 volts, 15 volts, 100 volts, 1000 volts like that. There are also two systems in our BP system. That is, one is voltage, second one is neuroenergy. Neuroenergy means in our body, all our organs, including the body cells, works as a single unit and a single category of the wattage. That is 230 watts wattage. The 230 watts watt is the healthy voltage, healthy wattage of the body. Neuroenergy is equal to I into V. I is means current, V is equal to voltage. I means the blood circulation from body to heart. R is equal to resistance, as I already said. All students knows that electricity works with according to Ohm's law. Or BP also works according to Ohm's law. BP is compared or analogous both with analogous both with electricity and water plumbing. BP is combinedly analogous with both with water plumbing system and electricity. That's why blood flow and electricity is combined in the BP systems. Ohm's law is equal to I is equal to V by R, or V is equal to I into R. If body voltage has to increase in the body, then current and resistance increases in the body. That means the blood flow to the heart, to the blood flow from body to heart increases and the resistance increases. That means the blood vessels contracts. In low BP or in low voltage conditions, the current, the blood from the body to the heart decreases, so becomes slower, and the resistance or decreases means blood vessels expands. Low BP means low voltage, high BP means high voltage. When BP decreases, there are many bad factors decrease BP in our body. There is bad food, rest, tensions, burdens, it's all many factors decrease in the body. But there should be always healthy voltage in the body, healthy neurons in the body. Then somehow brain adopts the Ohm's law and decrease the voltage by increasing BP. Say bad food decreases our body voltage to 10 volts. Then our brain adopts Ohm's law and increases the HBP to rectify the decreased voltage or increase the rectified 10 volts in the body. Thus, the body can accurately rectify the decreased voltage by increasing body voltage, body BP up to the 140. If bad factor decreases our body voltage to 20 volts, so brain has to increase the BP more than 140. Then little more BP will be increased in the body due to insufficiency or incapability of the brain or body. That means BP increases to 25 or 26 units. Thus, 5 units increases in the body when the high voltage, high BP conditions. Thus, high voltage, hypertension, high tension exists in the body. Lower the low voltage in the body, higher the BP in the body. Higher the BP in the body, higher the high tension, high BP in the body. Thus, high BP, high tension exists in the body, develops in the body. Doctor says in 50% BP patient, BP will not be controlled even they take proper tablets or medicines. Why? Because the bad factor of the is not a constant. The bad factor can vary with your bad habits, bad food and rest, or tensions and burdens. Then bad factor decreases to very low levels. That means when voltage decreases to very low levels in the body, then brain has to increase the BP to increase the voltage in the body by HBP according to Ohm's law. Thus, suddenly HBP increase in the body, high tension, hypertension develops in the body, even you are taking regular tablets. Then brain stroke, heart stroke develops in the body. Patient may get fatalness. I mean, what is the low BP condition? In low BP condition, all our body organs ability decreases, including the brain. When voltage BP and voltage decrease in the body, brain could not increase the HBP according to Ohm's law because its ability also decreases. Thus, low BP or low voltage exists continuously in the brain, in the body. Thus, all the body organs ability decreases. When the BP decreases, then voltage decreases. Then voltage decreases, BP decreases to further low level. That is chain reaction. If the patient should not recover from the depression, the patient affects fatalness. So, nearby friends and relatives must divert the patient's depression by different places or different activities. BP curing in other video. Jai Hind.